Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Today we're gonna have some fun today on this car right here. We got this 2008 Dodge Charger with the 2.7 liter engine in it. And I want y'all to take a look at something real quick. Take a look at this right now. Let's go.
Here you go, JP.
Oh, I'm out of memory. Look at that. Lord, I ain't never seen one that bad. Either that ain't working or the engine just can totally do a major blow-by. Serious blow-by. It's got that clamp on that, huh? Yeah, we're just having fun with this one, y'all. Got it in on a trade-in. Now I see why they traded it in. Oh, he overfilled it with oil too? Wow.
The problem is, see how he's got a broken bolt right here? Which is inside the head.
Engine is
it goes all the way down.
Yeah, and see all the oil? There she goes. She's done.
Wow.
That's coming back through the crack valve cover or something?
You know, it's the...
That is
they
bad.
got the grommet there that's holding.
Yeah.
That's one of those
Lord.
2.7 get a bad rep, man.
Okay, man, there you have it. Like I said, man, we just wanted to have some fun on this video right here, man. That's some serious blow-by. And we don't try to repair vehicles like that. We simply put engines in them or send them straight to the auction, all right? And we're not going to do neither with this one, all right? Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.